Hi, Caroline at Modshoes. Really excited today to be showing you the new spring summer range at Modshoes. We have the Faye, we have the Marianne, and we have the Raquel. You'll notice a similar design across the three styles. That's because it's been taken from a vintage shoe from the Modshoes collection, which gives it that really authentic 60s style. All Modshoes are made in a small family factory, which not only gives you that amazing quality, but the exclusivity that comes with limited numbers. Let's look at some of the detail of this gorgeous 60s design. I love the two-tone look of the Raquel and this wonderful cutout detail here. It's fabulous. We've got the adjustable sling back here for plenty of comfort. And the features across the whole range obviously is this lovely shape here, which gives plenty of toe wiggle room. And not only that, but they come with a lovely soft gel sole, which means you can wear them all night long whilst you're dancing. These would go great with any outfit. Fantastic with a dress, brilliant with jeans. And two more lovely colours in this design. Let me just show you. In the Raquel, I have to say, I think these ones are my favourite, which are the black and white. That two-tone, really stunning in this colour. And if you really want to stand out, how about this amazing orange and white? That's bound to catch someone's eye. Let's look at the detail. First of all, the beautiful soft patent leather really moulds to your foot really comfortably. It's absolutely gorgeous. And what a cute little cutout detail here. Take a look at that. Along with these lovely three eyelets here. Really giving that lovely 60s vintage look, really authentic. Remember, these are based on original vintage designs, which really make them unique. Lovely comfortable block heel. These would be ideal for office wear, wouldn't they? How fantastic. You could wear these to work and then straight out into the evening because they're really eye-catching. Again, we've got the comfortable gel sole. And more colours to come as well. So we've got this lovely vibrant purple. That's going to get you noticed, isn't it? But we've also got this lovely red. Look at that. Take a look at that lovely red patent look. Just gorgeous. We also have this in paint and black as well. Really smart. How about that? And for something a little lighter, we have this really lovely soft touch apricot leather. Again, take a look at that really cute cutout detail. The three eyelets there. So let's look at some of the detail. The standout feature of the Faye is this gorgeous brogue detailing, which shows up brilliantly on this lovely high quality suede. Of course, we've got plenty of wiggle room in this lovely fit, so they're always comfortable. And as well, this 1.5 inch block heel means you can wear them all day long. I also think this style just spans the decades, doesn't it? From the 50s right through to even into the 70s. Such a beautiful design. And of course we've got two other colours in the Faye. Let me show you. We've got this lovely forest green. This Just look at that. The detail of the brogue really comes out. And we've also got a really smart matte black. Look at that. So there we have it, just some of the new exclusive shoes to Modshoes this spring and summer. Don't forget, free postage and packaging in the UK and really easy returns.